I am so proud to support this manufacturing team because they are Dematic's boots on the grounds to get product into our customer sites.
Manufacturing is really composed of a fantastic team of professionals. Safety and compliance are definitely ingrained in their DNA.
There's nothing more exciting to me than going to a project site and seeing all the hard work everyone across the company has put in to make that project a success. There's just nothing like it.
This team is in all different technologies. They always have the project first mindset and deliver to the customer.
The quality is reputation. If we can achieve the best level of reputation, our customer will come back to us. The quality should be seen not as a one-time event, but more as a lifestyle.
We maintain a high level of communication and collaboration with each other. Meanwhile, ongoing training and professional development are also essential to ensure the team members stay on the top of the latest technology and the industrial trends.
A lot of investment in automation, a lot of robotics and material handling equipment. I guess the main reason there is safety, and it's also improved our capacity and output in our delivery service to our customers.
We have many safety milestones across all plants around the globe, which we are very proud of. The Ready, Safe, and Sound pledge is important to us because it promotes a culture of safety and responsibility where our employees are looking out for themselves and each other every day.
We're about to hit 8 years without a lost time injury that our Belrose operation.
Our Grand Rapids facility has not had a lost time injury in over 2 years. Our Monterey plant has never had a lost time injury for the 10 years they've been operating. And our Salt Lake facility is on a record 13 years and counting without a lost time injury. It's a testament to all the people driving every single day to keep themselves and their colleagues safe, and I want to thank you for that.
So I'm really proud of this team because of the deep sense of accountability, always facing the challenges, never backing off.
We have a lot of passionate people who are willing to execute with a high level of quality.
Inclusive work environment with a strong team work together make Dematic a fantastic place to work.
Thank you to all of our supply chain employees across all of Dematic.
A happy Manufacturing Day.
Thank you, manufacturing team around the world, for delivering and focusing on the high level of quality.
I really would like to thank everyone for their contribution during this special day, which is the Manufacturing Day, and really appreciate the effort of everyone.
Thanks all manufacturing team.
Happy Manufacturing Day, and thank you for everything you do.